Hey Elise, we are at Blue Cavern, 28 Blue Cavern. It is like a sage green doors. Blake wasn't too excited about the door color. Picky man. Alright, let's step on in. So here you have your living room, dining room.
So, area, play area, dining room.
Did you get that? Room for a pool. It's private, nobody looking into the backyard here. Gas stub, barbecue. Step into the kitchen. You see the backyard is very private too, it's like none of the other houses look into it.
Yeah, that's another thing I was really liking too.
The cabinets are all the anti-slam cabinets. If you look behind here, I'm opening some cabinets and stuff. Oh, that one's not. Well, I guess these ones aren't. The drawers aren't. Okay. Here's your laundry room. 3-car garage. Okay. Let's step into the master. Actually, that's the other direction. We're going to check out the other bedrooms first. Bedroom 2. Good size. Bedroom 3. A little smaller, 10 by 10. Hallway, we got a linen closet on the right here. Shared bathroom straight ahead. Bedroom 4. What's that?
All 3 rooms are exactly the same.
Oh no, this one's about a 10 by 12, 10 by 10. The other one's 10 by 11. All right, now let's step into the master. Master here's about a 13 by 13 or so. Walk-in closet. Beautiful big shower in there. Toilet. Groovy. This was 2118 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 187 a square foot for this price of $397.